And that's how you make Mel's brekkie beans. Hi, welcome to Mel's Outdoor Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making brekkie beans with a side of chili, eggs and bacon. So to get started, I'm going to preheat my BBQ on full for 10 minutes and then I'm going to get started with my beans. So I've already chopped up my chili and garlic, my onion and a little bit of chorizo, and now I'm going to chop up my cherry tomatoes. Now that my barbecue is getting hot, I'm going to put my pan in to warm up and I'm going to turn it down to 5. Okay, now I'm going to throw in my ingredients for my beans. First up, garlic and chili. My onion. Once that's browned off for a couple of minutes, I'm going to throw in my chorizo. Now the main ingredient, the beans. Crack in some salt and pepper and sprinkle in some oregano. Now it's time for my tomatoes. Just going to use some diced tomatoes and then some cherry tomatoes. And then I'm going to close the lid and turn it up for 5 minutes. So while that's bubbling away, I'm going to throw in some spinach on top and then I'm going to add my bacon onto the barbecue. I'm going to set aside the bacon and put on my eggs. To add a bit of flavour, I'm going to put some chili oil on and then crack my eggs on top of it. I'm going to scoop off my eggs and then I'm going to put my bread onto toast and add some feta to my beans. So I'm going to whip off my bread now, put it onto my plate, put my eggs on top, my bacon, and serve up my beans.